this crash that started midway down the back straightaway. It looked like it was going to crack, and initially got turned sideways, slid into somebody, and the red was on. Right now, the 27th KPD with damage to his machine is also being pretty good. Significant damage to his racetrack. Six. It all happened midway down that freeway. It seemed like he had almost avoided all the chaos at the very end. Just as we threw the green flag for the restart, and now they are pushing that truck back down behind the pit wall, and it looks like their night is going to be over for the Briggs driver. Had so much promise for the team that won this race a year ago with Zane Smith behind the wheel.
The timeline began to tick yet again. Yeah, I mean, I think what you saw there was Oil Joy obviously had a ton of experience in the Cup Series, and he was really able to push and get that real close to the hook there. And I think with the experience of knowing how to push guys without running them, he was able to really make that line.
With the wall, putting us under the caution flag for the sixth time. It flies on lap number 46. Dylan, single truck incident as far as you could tell off of turn 4?
Well, I heard what sounded like wall contact as the truck crashed on the straightaway and then spun into the infield. So not sure if there was some sort of mechanical problem that got that Keith McGee truck out of shape, but no other trucks involved from the looks of it or from the sounds of it over here off turn 4.
Yeah, that's a good thing there, but boy, did he ever. Spins up turn number 4. We got another truck scratching. Bailey Corey goes around. It's the inside return.
And we are under caution for the second time tonight here in Daytona. The two truck incident that happened at the front of the field. The inside city bird just off the skid pad and turned forward. Let's bring us under the center crossing tonight. 57 laps complete in the front report at 250 for the Craftsman Truck Series. So Fraser, you see some damage from earlier incident. That left front Toyota Tundra, the left front is Toyota Tundra, that is. Still damage from earlier crashes. He is limping around this 2.5-mile track. There is Brett Holmes. It looks like he does have damage. He originally looked like he was just going to spin harmlessly down off the racetrack, but he's got damage to the right side of his truck. We're talking about Bailey Curry. He's the inside wall right here. It was a pretty tight going to turn number 4. They had kicked Oil Joy up to the outside 3 wide. Unfortunately for Brett Holmes, who was the leader, came off turn number 4 on the bottom of the racetrack and lost control. I'm not sure if there was contact behind. He's now on pit road, the right front tire down. Let's take a look at it here on NASCAR TV screen. This is the back three then. Watch the 7th truck on the outside lane. First of all, it's Johnny Sauter who threw the block. That forced Oil Joy up high, but watch the 2 trucks in the bottom lane of the racetrack. The race leader, the 32 of Brett Holmes, is there. As they came up off turn 4, the truck turned sideways. Then Bailey Curry separated him, goes sliding sideways. He makes contact with the inside of that safer barrier. Brett Holmes able to narrowly avoid hitting the inside wall.
Because to the right, there's a whole lot more trucks around. They will separate bumpers. Sauter with a half-truck length of advantage. It's Rhodes to second, and here comes Akron to the outside.
He's leading that outside lane with help from Chase Purdy. Dean Thompson in there as well. Inside lane, then Rhodes
Somebody had to bail out of the pack, and they are headed to pit road, receiving We had the inside lane flying by, the outside lane flying back. Looked like just about everybody was prepared to clear Ben Rhodes. Well, that's a fast
and we got sideways and everybody scattered. Trucks on the apron, trucks up on the outside. Don't think anybody else made any wall contact or even contact with Ben as he spun, because there was about
Nick Sanche across the line as the race against the door.
Christian Eckes is also on the way. Leading to DC Grand Slam. He's never quickly.
It looked like a simple situation of a bump draft gone wrong.
Yeah, I mean, it was a little bit of a drop going wrong, but you could see clearly where the kid was push here. And he was trying to be as gentle as you can be, trying to make his line go forward, trying to push friction at this. But even that little tiny push got him out of control and, ripped into the bottom lane. So it's just a little tap, and just send these trucks going sideways. And it's just a testament to how out of control these things really are. The drivers, I mean, they are racing, but these trucks are absolutely out of control. Bailey Curry gets the pass, looking to lap back and get back on the lead lap. But Nick Sanche has been scored the race leader.
So 20 laps to go in the Frenchburg, Florida 250. You see the crew of Johnny Sauter. It looks like they're waiting to possibly push that truck behind the wall. The entire front hood is missing on the Chevrolet Silverado. So they're trying to evaluate the damage and figure out what is best to do next. Unfortunately for Johnny Sauter, a three-time winner at Daytona in the Truck Series, getting swept up in this most recent crash going off of turn number 4. Stephen Parsons, Christian Eckes, and others involved in this crash. So Johnny Sauter does not look like he is going to win.
and put us in position for about, give or take, 9-10 lap run to checker flag.
Yeah, that's pretty much what we come to expect here. When you race at Daytona, that's what Jackson, you know, when you think about that, the amount of times this series has gone to overtime here at Daytona, it's been staggered. This has been the highest amount of overtime races all the entire schedule. They're going to overtime here 6 different times. So that's something you got to think about and what's great. Steve Gross just for purposes to
stepped up from third on back, but now the pack will catch him. Here's the breaking device. Nick Sanche pushed to the outside, and everybody goes to the outside. Sanchez around Caruth for the lead. That momentum that LaJoy and Caruth had broken up by the time they get into turn 3. Now they're just trying to hang on to a top 5 spot. It's Nick Sanchez to the point where Taylor
You better have somebody to work with you right now if you're going to go to victory lane and just
the outside line. They're up to position number 6. They're looking for position number 5 now. It's for LaJoy with Dark to the outside. Rajat Caruth leading to the push. There's Caruth coming to the outside. Those two Spire Motorsports Chevrolet so strong here after this restart. Caruth has got help from LaJoy. They're up to the 2nd spot outside Taylor Gray. Sanchez
block by Nick Sanchez as he drifts to the outside lane. Leaves the bottom right open. Taylor Gray walks
about 10 rows deep, a double wide racer. Taylor Gray to the bottom. Nick Sanchez outside, and they're pushing that pack. 3 miles around. She's putting Taylor Anchor. Christian. How about someone from row 2? You've got Taylor Gray and others. All trying to win. Every time Rajat Caruth, Percy, Corey LaJoy's drafting assistance from the high side of turn number 2. But those drivers will ease down on the low lane. Rajat Caruth leads at Daytona. Corey LaJoy second, but down up in the outside lane. Charge Nick Sanchez and Taylor Gray are there at the 4-pack at the front of the field. Jack Wood, 5th in line, Josie outside lane.
turn number 4, white flag goes in the air. But the Craftsman
is out in front of the field is Nick Sanche from Miami, Florida. Checkered flag and caution flag at the start finish line. All Nick Sanche has to do is get back to the line. Here he comes at a reduced rate of speed. Rajat Caruth behind him. Checkered flag in the air.
Scary crash on the back straightaway. Taylor Gray goes upside down for a moment. The truck went up into the air and came back down on all 4 wheels. A lot of heavy
hits. 360 in the air and then come back down on all four wheels. Daniel Dye involved in this crash, among others. Nick Sanchez, meanwhile, though, he is celebrating here on the front straightaway. He has parked his truck right in the middle of the infield grass. His first career win comes tonight here at the Daytona International Speedway. The driver from Miami, Florida, climbing out of the truck. Let him hear it, ladies and gentlemen. Nick Sanchez, your winner tonight here at Daytona.
Nick Sanchez grabs the checkered flag. Nick, you have been so close. So many times in the Truck Series last year, you come to Daytona, you get your first career win. How does it feel? Pretty surreal, especially with how the race started. I'm covering there from it. But just a big thanks to my team. Sticking with me all last year. We're winless. It hurt. For sure. But we redeemed ourselves in the first
four races we have to watch. That was number one.
What
do you say?
That was very exciting.
Series champion collects his very first NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series win in overtime.
I don't know how exactly the rules for the track officials are, what they have to do before they can give the go.
I get it. Like one time there was just a guy that was out and they kept going. Fucking yellow flag there. There was nothing to clear up.
Yeah, but for example, if you get the yellow flag, you have to wait for the
Sorry to hear that. That's the tool.
if you have a crash card on running for 7, it may take 3, 4, 5 seconds to get.
Nick Sanchez now taking his Chevrolet Silverado to Mobile One victory lane after he collects his first NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series win.
If they have to clear
And wild last lap in overtime, multiple trucks involved.